This is a case study of a Bosch 17.5 SEER2 heat pump inverter HVAC system installation in Fort Pierce, Florida. In Fort Pierce, Florida, Patricia and Bill W were ready to upgrade their home's HVAC system. Bill, a retired HVAC technician with 30 years of experience, knew the importance of finding an efficient, reliable system, especially in Florida's hot, humid climate. With high summer temperatures and frequent rain, maintaining their home's comfort had become a real challenge. Together with the team at Air Heating and Cooling, Patricia and Bill found the perfect solution: the Bosch 17.5 SEER2 heat pump inverter system. The challenge: their residents face several issues. The existing system couldn't keep up with Florida heat. Microbial growth had taken hold inside the ductwork, and with the warranty expired, any future repair costs would be out of pocket. The solution: starting with a full attic evaluation and installed blown-in insulation to improve energy efficiency and temperature retention. To address the microbial growth, Air Ducts performed a complete duct sanitation and added an air purification system to ensure a clean and healthy airflow. Finally, a Bosch 17.5 SEER2 inverter heat pump system was installed, pairing it with a 10-year labor warranty alongside the manufacturer's 10-year parts coverage, providing both comfort and peace of mind. The benefits: the new Bosch system delivers quiet operation, energy savings, and consistent comfort, even through Florida's unpredictable weather swings. Its inverter technology maintains indoor temperature with precision, and the system's high efficiency helps reduce the family's energy bills. With added insulation and air purification, the entire home now stays cooler, cleaner, and more comfortable. Summary of a successful HVAC system installation: Patricia and Bill were looking for long-term comfort and reliability in their retirement home. We worked closely with them to understand their goals and tailor the right solution. The Bosch inverter system was a perfect match, delivering everything they needed with the protection and performance they wanted. Josh Roberts, owner, Air Heating and Cooling. A satisfied customer review: the company and the staff are all exceptional, and I would recommend Air Ducts to anybody. Obviously, they did a great job because I'm so comfortable. It was never like that before. It just stays at my desired temperature. There's no humidity in here. Everything is great. PW.